Okay, here's my Metro roll bar. Little update on the Metro. I did this thing. It's a convenience roll bar. It's basically, this is a driver, not a racer. 3-cylinder, not a racer. 3-cylinder, 50 horsepower, 90s engine, not a racer. So yeah, I just, you can kind of see where the things are. Pretty basic, you know. Basically where 3 pinch welds come together. I just played around and made it work. This is a convenience thing. So I got my head here-ish. I mean, obviously on that side. Head's here. Seat backs here-ish. Normally, with that kind of an angle. You know, lots of room. Even lots of room to tilt back. A ways, and then you can move the seat back up if they want. Got rid of the speakers, or the old speakers, which they had this little plastic panel and it was all scratched to heck. I was like, screw that. Just made that nifty. And I'm gonna have these holes exposed, which are normally covered up. In the convertible, they're normally covered up. And boom, you know, something like that. Pretty. I mean, it's gonna have my seatbelts. They're still plenty accessible. You know, easy to get the seatbelts in and out without hitting the roll cage. No need to use any extenders or whatever the heck you want to call them. It's welded down. It's not going anywhere. This thing rolls. Yeah, I mean, it'll protect my butt. That's about as simple as that is. I mean, go around this way. Place is a mess. I gotta clean this up. I just took all the tape off. That's why it's a mess in here. You know, simple as that. Yeah, roll bar works great. Nothing hits going up or down. Got about a 3/4 inch on top. So yeah, yep, everything works. That's my little update.